Next, I'll demonstrate the woven rose stitch. Let's start with the pattern on the left. Using 6 strands of color number 1. Before stitching, prepare a 40-inch length of floss. This ensures that during the process, you won't need to change thread. Start from the outer outline. Take it down in the middle. First stitch 5 straight foundation lines. Then bring needle up near the center. Skip 1 foundation line. Pass under the next foundation line. Again, skip 1 line. Pass under another foundation line. Follow this pattern. Skip 1, weave under 1. Continue this weaving pattern until the bottom pattern is covered. Be careful not to pull too tight. It will affect the overall appearance and won't look full and rounded. Weave along the cross stitches, creating a rose pattern. Gradually expand outward. Take it down here to prevent loose petals. Secure thread ends on back to prevent loosening. Let's look at the result. Now let's look at the pattern on the right. This circle in the middle can be filled with French knots as the center, making the flower shape fuller. Using the same method, first stitch these 5 foundation lines, using 6 strands of color number 5. Bring needle up here. Take it down below. Following these steps, create all 5 foundation lines. Then bring needle up here. Same as the previous steps. Along the guidelines, cross-weave the threads, forming the rose shape. Take it down. Move needle to center on the back. Bring it up. Add French knots as the flower center, making the rose more beautiful. Hold thread in left hand, needle in right. Wrap thread around needle twice. Take needle down at center point. Pull thread down slowly, forming a small knot. Adjust it with your needle, making it more prominent. Let's take a look. Compare roses with and without French knots. The rose with French knots looks fuller, creating a more beautiful effect.